In the bustling landscape of business software, where options abound for every conceivable need, choosing the right tool for project work can feel like navigating a maze. Scoro is a platform that often emerges in these discussions, positioning itself as an all-in-one work management solution. But is Scoro truly good for project work? As a project management expert, I can offer a nuanced perspective. Scoro is exceptionally good for project work, especially for professional services businesses, because it integrates project management within a broader ecosystem of business operations. Unlike many pure-play project management tools that focus solely on tasks, timelines, and team collaboration, Scoro extends its reach to encompass sales, client relationship management, CRM, financial tracking, resource allocation, and reporting. This holistic approach is precisely what makes it a powerful contender for businesses where projects are the core revenue-generating engine. Let's explore why Scoro is considered good for project work and for whom it truly shines. The good in Scoro for project work. Project planning and execution. The essential Scoro covers the fundamentals of project management effectively. You can define projects, set up new projects with clear scopes, clients, and internal details, create tasks and milestones, break down projects into manageable tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress against milestones. Visualize progress. Utilize Gantt charts for timeline visualization and dependency management, Kanban boards for agile task flow, and various list views for comprehensive task oversight. This multi-view approach caters to different project managers' preferences. Templates. Create project templates for recurring work, which significantly speeds up project initiation and ensures consistent delivery processes. Financial integration, the game changer for profitability. This is where Scoro truly stands out for project work. For professional services, understanding project profitability is paramount. Scoro helps by quoting and budgeting, seamlessly create professional proposals and estimates. Critically, it allows you to track estimated costs versus actual expenditures in real time. This proactive financial monitoring is a project manager's dream, enabling early detection of scope creep or budget overruns. Time and expense tracking. Effortlessly track billable and non-billable hours directly linked to tasks and projects. Record all project-related expenses. This meticulous tracking ensures accurate billing and provides granular data for profitability analysis. Automated invoicing. Generate invoices based on time-tracked, fixed fees, or milestones directly from project data. This streamlines the quote-to-cash cycle, accelerating payments and improving cash flow, a direct win for project success. Profitability reporting. Gain instant insights into the profitability of individual projects, clients, and even service lines. This level of financial transparency empowers project managers to make data-driven decisions about future projects and resource allocation. Resource management. Optimizing your team-effective resource planning is crucial for project success and avoiding team burnout. Scoro helps project managers by capacity planning, providing a real-time overview of team members' availability and current workload. This helps prevent overallocation and ensures that new projects can be staffed appropriately. Workload balancing. Visualize who is working on what and identify if any team member is overloaded or underutilized, allowing for proactive adjustments. Skill matching. While not a dedicated HR system, its ability to track team members' roles and availability aids in assigning the right talent to the right tasks. Client collaboration. Bridging the gap projects often involve continuous client interaction. Scoro enhances this through centralized client data. All client communications, past projects, quotes, and invoices are stored in one place, giving project managers a comprehensive view of the client relationship. Client portal. Some Scoro setups allow for a client portal where clients can securely view project progress, approve estimates, and access invoices, fostering transparency and reducing back-and-forth emails. Reporting and dashboards. Visibility for informed decisions. Scoro's robust reporting capabilities are excellent for project managers who need to communicate progress and performance. Customizable dashboards. Create tailored dashboards with key performance indicators, KPIs, relevant to project health, financials, and team performance. Detailed reports. generate comprehensive reports on project profitability, resource utilization, time spent, and more, enabling proactive identification of trends and areas for improvement. Who is Scoro good for? Scoro shines brightest for professional services firms, agencies, marketing, creative, digital, consultancies, IT services, and other businesses that sell their time and expertise on a project basis. These companies inherently need to link project delivery with financial outcomes, which is Scoro's forte. Growing SMBs, small to medium-sized businesses that are outgrowing basic project management tools and need a more integrated solution to manage their entire quote-to-cash process. Businesses seeking holistic management, organizations looking to break down departmental silos, sales, project, finance, and have a single source of truth for all business operations. Potential considerations, where it might be less good. Learning curve. As a comprehensive platform, Scoro can have a steeper learning curve for new users compared to simpler, dedicated project management tools. Its vast features require time and commitment to master. Pricing. Scoro is generally priced higher than many standalone project management tools. Its value lies in the integrated suite, so if you only need basic task management, it might be an overkill or too expensive. Depth for niche PM methodologies. While it supports Gantt and Kanban, if your organization heavily relies on highly specialized agile frameworks, beyond basic Kanban, or extremely complex portfolio management features, a dedicated tool for those niche needs might offer more depth. However, for most professional services, Scoro's capabilities are more than sufficient.